Hidden deep within the emerald forests of Karbi Anglong lies Kaipholangsu Waterfall, a masterpiece sculpted by nature. Just 248 kilometers from Guwahati, the bustling capital of Assam, and a mere 44 kilometers from Kaziranga National Park, this secluded marvel offers a tranquil retreat for those willing to venture off the beaten path. The journey to Kaipholangsu begins with a drive through the picturesque landscapes of Assam, where rolling hills and sprawling tea gardens form a prelude to the adventure. The final leg, a trek through lush trails, immerses visitors in the untamed beauty of Karbi Anglong. Here, sunlight dances through the dense canopy above, casting golden patches on the forest floor, while the forest hums with life, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the faint murmur of the waterfall in the distance. As the path winds closer, the air grows cooler, carrying a mist that seems to whisper secrets of the falls. The sound of cascading water intensifies, a steady crescendo that builds anticipation until at last, the trees part to reveal Kaipholangsu in all its glory. The waterfall tumbles from towering cliffs, its silver waters shimmering as they crash into a clear, rocky pool below. The falls exude both power and serenity, their constant roar harmonizing with the symphony of nature around them. Ferns and wildflowers thrive at its edges, while fleeting rainbows often arch across the spray when sunlight breaks through the clouds. It is a sight so captivating that time seems to pause, leaving visitors in awe of the raw, unspoiled beauty before them. Whether you come from Guwahati, Kaziranga, or beyond, Kaipholangsu offers more than just a visual feast. It is an experience of renewal and wonder. The waterfall's whispers, carried in the cool mist and the roaring cascade, linger in the heart long after the journey ends.